Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about the properties of magnets. But in this lecture, I will discuss about the properties of magnetic lines of forces. Properties of magnetic lines of forces. Yes. What is the magnetic lines of forces? I already told it is the path, concentric path. When you put the compass here, it forms the special path followed by the compass like this. That is called magnetic lines of forces. But first of all, we see the first property. Magnetic lines of forces are the continuous and the form the closed loop. Keep in mind, the magnetic line, that path is always continuous, not break like this. Here break, again start. No. Continuous always, keep in mind. Continuous. Starting from north and end up to north and inside again come back south to north. The magnetic direction, the magnetic line always outside the magnet is always from north to south, or inside is a north to south to north. In next property I will discuss about this. Yes, magnetic lines of forces are always continuous, keep in mind, and form the closed loop, closed only, not the discontinuous, not break from there, continuous always, keep in mind. Yes, this is the first property. Second property, the lines of forces are never cross each other. Never cross each other. What it is mean? Yes, see there. Never cross each other. This is the north, this is the south. No, magnetic lines like this only, always like this. One more, not like cross each other. Why? Firstly, how you know about the direction of magnetic field in magnetic line force? This is a magnetic line force. At every point you draw the tangent if you want to know about the direction of magnetic lines of forces. Student, these topics are not in your syllabus, but this is for your knowledge only, the properties of magnetic lines of forces. Yes. At every point you draw the tangent, you are able to know about the direction of magnetic lines of forces. Yes. Same like this, if you want this tangent, this direction, this like this, same like circle. If you want to know about direction like this, then here this. Yes. So same like this, student. So if two lines cross point for this direction like this, but for this direction, it is not possible two direction at one point. Not possible two direction at one point. So keep in mind always, two magnetic lines of forces never cross each other and always continuous. Continuous. Keep in mind, never cross each other. Never cross each other. Okay, so this is the lines of the forces never cross each other and they always parallel. Keep in mind, always parallel. See there, parallel only. Never cross each other. If they cross each other, not parallel. But not possible 2 points. So this case not possible. Never cross each other. Always parallel. Yes. The third property, you see, these lines of forces move from north to south outside the magnet. Keep in mind, outside the magnet always north to south. North to south. And inside the magnet always from south to north. South to north. Very easy. I am again repeating, outside from north to south, again come back on the north. जहां से start किया वहीं वापस आना है. तो starting from the north and again come back on the north, it means north to south and south to north. Outside the north to south and inside south to north. Now come on the fourth property. These lines of forces mutually repel each other. Mutually repel each other. Mutually repel each other. If near the repulsion is more, because more magnetic lines are very near here, very near, but here go away from the magnet, the magnetism start decreasing, they mutually repel each other. And the fifth property, they always bend along the length of a magnet. This is start from there, always bend there in the towards the magnet only, towards the length of a magnet. I'm again repeating the first property, second property, third property, fourth and fifth. Yes, first property, I already told the magnetic lines always never intersect each other, never cross each other. Yes, and the third property already told to you, the magnetic line always starting from north up to south, and inside the magnet south to north, outside always north to south. Fourth property, mutually repel each other. And fifth property, the length always bend towards the length of magnetism, And what first already told about the first property, they always continuous, keep in mind, not break, continuous always. So this is my lecture, student. This topic I am again repeat, not in your syllabus, this is for your knowledge only. Thank you.